this lesson you will be able to identify the components of the Access 2016 interface. Create a new database, how to create a table, purpose of the primary key. When first opening Access 2016, the user will be presented with options to open recent documents, start a new blank database, or select from a number of database templates. When you open Microsoft Access 2016, you have the option to create a blank database. Using this database, you will be able to create tables, forms, and enter data. Click on Blank Desktop Database. Enter the name of the database in the File Name text box. From here, you can perform the following actions. Info tab, obtain information about your databases. New tab, create new databases and templates. Open tab, open existing databases. Save as tab, save and close databases. Print tab, print an or preview of your databases. Account tab, access your Microsoft Office account information. Options tab, access options to change program settings. The ribbon is a panel that contains groupings of buttons and drop-down lists organized by tabs. Each application in the Office suite has a different set of tabs that pertain to the functionality of that particular application. Each tab is further divided into groups, such as the Sort and Filter and Find groups. Upon creating a database, it is recommended that you create a table that will house relevant data. From the Fields tab under Table Tools, click on the View button. Select Design View from the drop-down menu. The Save As window will open, prompting you to name your table. Enter the name of the table that you are about to create. The Design View will open and display the field names and data types for the current table. Enter in the appropriate field names and data types. Every field in a table has properties, and these properties define the field's characteristics and behavior. The most important property for a field is its data type. A field's data type determines what kind of data it can store. MS Access supports different types of data, each with a specific purpose. The data type determines the kind of the values that users can store in any given field. Each field can store data consisting of only a single data type. Auto number. The database will create a unique number for each record that is entered. Short text. Use for fields that contain letters and numbers. This option can contain up to 255 characters. Long text. Use for fields requiring long entries. Both letters and numbers can be created in this field. This option can hold up to 65,536 characters. Number. Used when calculable numbers will be required for the field. Date/time. Select this choice when you need to enter a date or time. Currency. Used when currency needs to be entered into the field. Yes/no. Used when the field requires a yes or no entry. Appears as a checkbox in the datasheet. OLE, object. Allows for the embedding and linking of a number of supported file types, including PDF, PowerPoint, Excel and Word documents, images, and sound clips. Hyperlink. Use when email addresses and hyperlinks are required. Attachment. This option allows the user to attach one or more files to the record. Lookup. This option helps the user create a drop-down list for the field. When this option is selected, the lookup wizard will begin. The primary key. Records in Access can be organized by a unique, identifying number. The primary key is used to ensure that no two records have the same number. For example, in the table created for student information, it is important that each student has a unique student ID. The primary key can be used with number, auto number, and text data type. The primary key can be on or off by clicking on the primary key button, located on the Design tab. When the primary key is active, it will appear as a key icon to the left of the field name.